Now, Attorney Paulo, you're the lawyer of Vice President Sara in a perjury case against Madriaga. Can you tell us briefly why you are saying that this is a perjured affidavit?
Yeah, kasi karamihan ng nasa laman ng affidavit niya, pati pangalan niya, mali or hindi totoo. Sabi niya kasi dito na nagtatrabaho siya for VP Sara, simula pa lang nung mayor siya ng Davao City, hanggang sa naging kasama daw siya sa PSG at sa VP SPG na nagproprotekta dati noon kay PRRD, pati kay VP Sara. Pinabuo daw siya ng isang campaign group ni VP Sara noong 2020 na may pangalang Isip Pilipinas, hanggang sa nagde-deliver daw siya ng limpak-limpak na salapi sa mga sasakyan na galing daw sa confidential funds.
Nasa maleta ba?
Nasa sasakyan daw po. Wala po sa maleta. Ibang style.
Pero itong si Madriaga, did he ever work in any way, directly or indirectly, with Vice President Sara in Davao?
Hindi po. We have, hindi lang po sa Davao City, we have certifications from the Davao City Local Government, the Presidential Security Group, the Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group,
So,
Department of Education, and even the Office of the Vice President. Wala po siyang connection sa
hindi
mga
ba si
opisina.
Madriaga ngayon nasa kulungan?
Opo.
Anong kaso, attorney?
For kidnapping for ransom.
Aba, bongga. Bongga palang kaso nitong Madriaga. At sinasabi nilang siya ang pinaka-credible witness against VP Sara. Wala na ba kayong ibang makuhang witness dyan na hindi naman kidnapping for ransom?
In fact, Attorney Guanzon, sabi nga ng PNP, nung inaresto siya noong 2023, ang description sa kanya is siya ang leader ng Madriaga Kidnap for Ransom Group, which is one of the most dangerous criminal syndicates in recent history. That was the description of the PNP.
Wow, and that's in official PNP documents.
Well, it was reported. It was reported as coming from the PNP.